Sigurno ste ovdje sa razlogom, uživat ćete, to mogu da vam obećam. Ako želite da nešto postignete u svom životu, niste zadovoljni trenutnom situacijom, onda je pravi razlog da pogledate sljedeći video. Dobit ćete konkretne podatke kako i zapravo o čemu se ovdje radi. Na tom video klipu je naša najuspešnija osoba u kompaniji koja će vam reći malo više.
Hi, thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video your friend recommended. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to travel at wholesale pricing, have a lot more fun in your life than you're having right now, and how to earn anywhere from an extra part-time income up to a full-time income from the comfort of your own home without having to be a pushy salesperson by following the simple, proven system you're watching in action right now. I got involved with this concept just over 2 years ago, and it has been the single best business decision that I've ever made. When I saw World Ventures, I owned my own business, had 18 employees, big corner office, generating millions of dollars a year in revenues. The problem was that even though I owned my own business, that business owned me. I was stuck in that office 50, 60 hours a week and realized that if I didn't make a change, I was going to miss my children growing up. Well, the recession hit, and that affected my company in a big, big way. I went from no debt at all to almost $1 million in debt within about 6 months. So I got very open-minded to the idea of doing something else. Well, because I said yes to what you're about to see, my wife and I are now both stay-at-home parents. We've moved into a big, beautiful home, paid for with the company's home bonus. I bought a Ferrari, paid for with the company's car bonus. We've vacationed to the Greek Isles, South Africa, Zimbabwe to see Victoria Falls, London, Cabo San Lucas, Cancun, Paris, Germany, and several other countries, paid for with the company's travel bonus program. And we've also earned a heck of a lot more money than we ever have. If you haven't figured it out yet, World Ventures is positioned in one of the largest, most fun, exciting industries in the world, travel. The founders of World Ventures decided to market our products through the same industry Warren Buffett and Donald Trump have gotten involved in, direct sales, or more commonly known as network marketing. So why would two billionaires get involved in network marketing? Simple. They both understand the power of word-of-mouth advertising. And what's happened since we've opened our doors just over 5 years ago is that we've literally taken the industry by storm. We've passed up thousands of companies to become one of the top 100 direct selling companies in the world. Tens of thousands of customers from 20 countries around the world have purchased our products, and because of the enormous success of our company, we've been featured in numerous magazines, and the founders were even named finalists in the Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year Awards. The reason for this success is simple. We have a product that almost everyone in the world wants: travel. You see, life is short, and we have a very limited time on this planet. And our product allows you to pack more memories into life than you ever dreamed possible by giving you the opportunity to travel to 4- and 5-star resorts for 2- and 3-star prices. Our product fulfills the #1 dream in the world, and that's quite simply to go out and see the world. Our core product, Dream Trips Life, allows you to put more life into your life. At its core, Dream Trips Life is a travel club. Rovia buys vacations in bulk. We negotiate the price to wholesale or below wholesale pricing and then pass that savings on to you as a member. It's dream vacations at dream prices. Last year, we did just over 500 of these dream trips all over the world. We do things like $69 cruises every single month. We do 4- and 5-star all-inclusive resorts for $200 and $300. And when you become a member, you can go on trips all across Europe and the Mediterranean, trips to Asia, trips to North and South America, trips to Mexico. You can do African safaris, fishing trips, major sporting events like the World Cup and the Grand Prix. We even have trips for every single budget, and we've got trips for every schedule. So you can go on 3- or 4-day trips, or you can do trips like a 14-day tour across China. Now, for all your non-dream trips travel, if you need a flight somewhere, a hotel room, a car rental, we built a world-class booking engine called Rovia. From now on, instead of booking travel on whatever site you've been booking it on, you can book it on your own private booking engine. In most cases, you'll get the same price or even better, and you'll actually earn travel dollars that you can use to travel all over the world for simply booking through your own website. You'll also have access to our Global Hideaways, which is the single largest inventory of vacation rental properties in the world. Over 60,000 private travel residences, condos, and villas where you'll have your own kitchen and dining room and just an amazing travel experience. These properties are all over the world, and you'll see thousands of options for less than $400 for the entire week. And Dream Travel is just the beginning of this program. Being a Dream Trips Life member is going to give you tremendous value. You're going to have your own 24-hour concierge service. It's like a toll-free number that's like Google over the phone. They can give you driving directions, make dinner reservations, do research for you online, or just about anything else you might want from a virtual assistant. And guys, there is no comparison of this Dream Trips Life product to anything else on the market. I mean, if you just wanted the travel side of what we do, you can't find it. There's travel clubs out there where the membership costs anywhere from $8,000 to $80,000, and they don't have anywhere close to the kind of deals that you get at World Ventures. But World Ventures has broken the mold and is literally reinventing the travel industry by making our program affordable to anyone in the world. So our program is not $20,000. It's not $10,000. It's not $5,000. And it's not even $1,000. Our program is a one-time fee of just $200 and then about $50 a month to maintain it. You can, of course, cancel at any time, but if you're like most of our customers who've been on a dream trip, you're going to want to keep it forever. Now, the reason why tens of thousands of people have already purchased this product is because in many cases you can go on just one dream trip and save more than the cost of your membership, so it just makes sense. I'm going to stop for a minute and pose a question. If your mobile phone service provider put together a promotion where you could simply go out and refer 4 friends to the same service that you're using and the company would waive your monthly fees, would you tell anyone? Well, if you're like me, your answer is yes, and you'd have your 4 referrals by the end of the week. Well, World Ventures has taken that exact same concept and we've applied it to your Dream Trips Life membership. As soon as you've simply referred 4 other people who remain active customers, your monthly fee is waived forever. It's what we call Refer 4, Pay No More. We have people who simply show this video either online or on a DVD and they get their 4 in the same week. Heck, we've even had people get their 4 in the very same day. You see, unlike most direct selling companies you may have heard of or been part of in the past, you don't have to convince people that they need your product. Everyone already loves travel, so they already want it. And chances are, most people you know would even admit that they need a vacation. This is how we've grown to tens of thousands of customers in just over 5 years. This concept is spreading like wildfire in over 20 countries around the world, and the best part is we're just getting started. You can become a representative for World Ventures for approximately $100 and then about $10 a month, and you'll be able to earn commissions for all the customers that you refer, all the customers they refer, and so on, no matter how large your customer base grows. We're using this video and our own personal websites through the power of the internet combined with social networking sites like Facebook to expand this business all across the globe as well as right across the street. Now, in just a moment, I'm going to show you how our compensation plan works. But to give you an idea of the power of our referral program, when you refer just 6 others in your first month, with all the bonuses combined, you'll actually earn $570 for simply sharing this video with others. Enrolling as a customer and as a representative costs you only $360, so you'll have made all your money back, plus put over $200 in your pocket in the very first month. Here's how our compensation plan breaks down. Every time somebody you refer buys a Dream Trip Life membership, you make a $20 direct commission. If you have 6 people buy a membership from you in any 30-day time frame, you're going to get a $250 bonus. Now, here's how our team building bonuses work. When you enroll today, you're going to be given a tracking center that tracks all sales throughout your organization. You'll have 2 teams, a left team and a right team. Now, every time you, your sponsor, or anyone on your team refer 6 sales below you with 3 sales on one side and 3 sales on the other, you're going to earn a cycle bonus of $100 along with an extra $100 in your first 60 days. The exciting part about this is that it doesn't matter who makes the sale. Every time 3 sales happen on your left and 3 sales happen on your right, infinite levels deep, you make $200 over and over again. Keep in mind, with the help of this video that does all the explaining for you, you and everyone on your team can refer others daily. Personally, I've made about 60 sales, but through the power of our referral program, that's turned into well over 20,000 customers because we're all able to follow a simple referral system that literally anyone can do. And what's even more exciting than the immediate income is the residual income that you're going to earn from the monthly fees on the customers within your organization. Once you have 30 customers on your left team and 30 customers on your right team, now that's not 30 customers that you've referred, that's 30 customers who come into your organization. You're going to begin earning monthly residual income checks month after month, year after year. And what's really significant about what we're doing here is that our product is so good and the value is so unmistakable that after 5 years of this program being around, of all the people who have ever taken a dream trip with us, 89% of those members are still active customers on the books. So that's a rock-solid, long-term, stable residual income that we believe creates the perfect side business. So let me ask you a serious question. If all this did was allow you to take an extra 1 or 2 vacations a year, giving you precious memories that you'll keep for a lifetime, wouldn't it be worth it? If all this did was allow you to make an extra $300 a month, wouldn't it be worth it? And if all this did was allow you to create a residual income that's higher than your bills, giving you true financial freedom, wouldn't it be worth it? Folks, there are certainly no guarantees of income here. What you get out of it is what you put into it. You may make no money at all and just enjoy the tremendous value of our product. Or you may end up like many of our leaders who are earning more money than they ever dreamed possible, and they're taking vacations several times a year. The thing is, you'll never know unless you get started. So here's the choice. You can have a lot more of this in your life, or you can have a lot more of this in your life. You can spend your days here, or you can spend your days here. You can get this at the end of working, or you can get this at the end of working. These can be your golden years, or these can be your golden years. Your life can feel like this, or your life can feel like this. If you're serious about making your life the most it can possibly be, if you're serious about having more fun, making more money, and definitely traveling a lot more, just follow our simple 3-step system of success. Number 1, get back to the person who showed you this video and let them know that you want to get started. Number 2, get familiar with your website and product and begin sharing it with others. You're going to be able to use one of our mini presentation tools to do all the explaining for you. And then number 3, plug into our ongoing training and support system to build a global business. You're going to be in business for yourself, but definitely not by yourself. You've got access to an incredible support network to help you build your business. So thanks again for taking the time to watch this video. Look forward to meeting you on one of our many upcoming dream trips. Come join us on the beaches of the world.
Ukoliko vam je video do sada držao pažnju, to znači da ste jedan od ozbiljnih osoba, sada ćete popuniti podatke ispod, znači da želite da vas kontaktiramo, mi ćemo to uraditi i daćemo vam neke detaljne informacije. Ono što je jako bitno, ako se do sada ovo svidjelo, obećavam da će vam se detalji još više svidjeti. Pozdrav i nadam se da ćemo sarađivati uskoro. Song for the broken hearted. In the crowd, you're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live when I'm alive. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway. Like breaking shit up. Stood their ground. Tommy and Gina never back down. Tomorrow's getting harder, make
No alarm clocks, no traffic jams, kissing this 9 to 5 goodbye. I'm done with these down and out blues. I'm done with this drive-through food. There's a limousine waiting and a plane getting ready to fly.
Hey, I wish you were here. Come on.
Soon I'll be lying on the beach, catching a tan with the pina colada freezing down my hand. This is the lifestyle, baby, I was meant to have. I wanna be making a living life, living right, living good. I wanna be making a living life, living right, I should. Goodbye week to week living, adios boss man flipping. Me static cause he doesn't like the way I am.
Don't like it.
I'm done with insufficient funds. I'm done with insufficient fun. Let the crew set sail, baby, I ain't never coming back. Sprawled out in a hammock while the palm trees sway. All of my worries just melting away. This is the lifestyle, baby, I was meant to have. I wanna be making a living life, living right, living good. I wanna be making a living life, living right, I should.
You should be here. You should be here.
Guys, this is the life. Come join us. What are you waiting?
You should be here. Oh, you should be here. You should be here. I wanna be making a living life, living right, living good. I wanna be making a living life, living like I should. Yeah, I've done my time, paid my dues. I found the secret to life is observing the clues, and now I'm making a living life, living right, and living good. Now I'm just taking a living life, living right, living good. I'm just taking a living life, living life. I should. Ooh, I'm making a living life, living right, living good.
Celu noć i celi dan, opustitelo nek ritanga vozi, nemoj da se nerviraš. Pusti probleme, nek đavo ih nosi. Celu noć i celi dan, opustitelo nek ritanga vozi, nemoj da se nerviraš. Pusti probleme, nek đavo ih nosi. Pare te muče, zaboravi na to. Problemi kod kuće, zaboravi na to. Što bilo je juče, zaboravi na to. Zaboravi sve sad i igraj prljavo. Prljavo.
don't you know? Oh, you're beautiful, don't you know? Oh, don't you know? Don't you know? Oh, beautiful, don't you know? No, no. Live your life, live your life. Let the love inside. It's your life, it's your life. Got to live it right. Take your time, take your time. Take your sexy time. Lose your head, lose your head. Your beauty's deep inside, inside you. Don't let them bring you down, no. The beauty is inside you. Don't let them bring you down, no. The beauty is inside you. Don't let them bring you down. 'Cause you start your life today. Live any thought you dreamed of. Everywhere, everywhere, everywhere I go. Everywhere that I've been, the only thing I see is beautiful people. Beautiful people. Beautiful people. Beautiful people. Oh, don't you know? Don't you know? Oh, you're beautiful. Don't you know? Oh, don't you know? Don't you know? Oh, beautiful. Don't you know? No, no. Take your time, take your time. Take your sexy time. Lose your head, lose your head. Your beauty's deep inside, inside you. Don't let them bring you down, no. The beauty is inside